Seagull lovers, I've got a nice, beautiful, shiny chrome tube here, driveshaft tube, and I want this for something else. So, how to get it out? Well, I made a little tool to help me. Just a bit of flat bar. Just a bit of flat bar, 2 holes drilled in it, 2-inch centres I found were right, and this, with this, I can therefore get hold of it and turn the shaft, can't I? So I'm actually lucky with this one. I'm very lucky because, you know, as you know, these things get welded in here, you know, through time and corrosion. So I'm lucky with this one because when I bolted it on, I was fully expecting to have to get the old blowtorch on to help, but as you can see, it's turning just with that tool that I've made, so I'm lucky. Normally they won't. And I've got another one I'm going to do actually some other time, and that'll probably be welded in, so I'll try that with blowtorch. But anyway, I'm lucky with this because it doesn't even need a blowtorch, but looks of it. So I'll try and get it out then. It's coming easy peasy. You'd probably think I've just shoved that in there, wouldn't you? But I promise you I am. I'm just very lucky. And look at that beautiful tube. Chrome on that, superb. I'm sure I'll find a use for that, one of my other engines for that. So, and that's it. I found it very handy. You can turn the drive shaft with that dead easy. Yeah, that didn't want to come out. That's not going to come out. It probably will need heat on it. No, that ain't coming. That's probably going to need heat on it. I'll give it a go. See if a bit of heat will do it.